Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy, and in today's video I will be recreating a hairstyle I made before, because the first time I made it I used my hair to wrap around each other, and most people who have short hair complained that their hair could not connect at the back, and I really wanted my short hair girls to be able to enjoy this hairstyle as well. And so in this video I shall be showing you how you can also achieve this hairstyle with your hair, no matter how short it is. Strap in and get ready to slay your natural hairstyle. I'm starting on freshly washed and moisturized hair. I usually wash my hair and I detangle it before I wash, so that it will be stretched and it will also give me shorter time to wash my hair in the bathroom. So as you can see, I just use my finger to separate. I hardly use any combs. In fact, for this hairstyle, absolutely no combs. So here is me just trying to make my center part, and I just made like a center part from my forehead to my nape, and it's actually as clean as it can be. I like to use this rubber comb because it helps to reduce any pain. All the metal combs kind of make the hair painful, so I use the rubber comb first, and I'm using that thread which I kind of wrapped a few times so it will be thick, and I'm going to use it to secure or to tie each section. Now I was very firm with it. I also wanted to show you guys, because here I was trying to like snatch my forehead and all the things. After I tied it and tied it almost at a point I could not feel my head anymore. Like it was so tight, I loosened it and then I just tied it loosely. So now this is me just grabbing my hair and twisting it around each other. Now I'm making tight twists because I'm not using my hair to wrap around at the back. If your hair is long enough, just make a very loose twist and wrap it together. But this one, a very tight twist, and then I just make a tight bun, and this is my hair all prepped out. Now this is the secret. I am using my Kinky extensions, which I cut into two to get like a shorter length, and I'm going to use a rubber band to secure the middle. The rubber band is going to act as the connector between the kinky hair and my natural hair, and I'm just going to connect the rubber band to the little buns that I made. Please note that I put the rubber bands in some oil before I used it on my hair, because I don't want the rubber bands to snag my hair. And this is so cute because it looks like it's my hair and I have two pigtails. Now this is the part where I'm just going to twist the kinky extensions, and this is how I'm doing it: loose, chunky twists. Now that I have my chunky twists done, I'm just going to turn around and then I'm going to wrap the twists around each other, making sure that the twists cover my natural hair so that people will not know that these are the extensions. So for my short hair girlies, this is your trick. Just do this and it actually looks so big, like it looks even bigger than when I used my natural hair. People are not going to be able to tell, unless of course if they know that you have very short hair. And this is literally it. And for the front, I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel and my brush to kind of lay my edges. You can put as much or as little gel as you're comfortable with. I was sad because this is freshly washed hair and I didn't even like enjoy it. I just went straight and applied gel. But anyway, this is my lifestyle. I didn't have a lot of time during the weekends, and basically I just had to whip up a hairstyle that could go for the week or 2 weeks. Now I'm using Shine and Jam edge control, and I'm just going to apply it to sleek my edges even further. And afterwards I'm just going to use my hand to follow it up to make sure that it is as flat as possible. And this is how it looks. I love how this hairstyle brings out your face. Now I'm applying my sheen spray from TCB Naturals. This is just to reduce any cakiness or flakiness from the edge controls and gel. And I'm going to press it with a scarf, because natural hair girlies have to press their hair with a scarf so that it dries down and is sleek until the next morning. This is how the hair looks finally. I really love how it looks. Honestly, it looks like my hair but better Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that your hair gets long enough for you to use, but in the meantime, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to rock hairstyles like this. This is how cute I looked at work. I really loved how it looked. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out any of my previous videos. And if you have long hair, then you should watch how I did the original hair video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.